we're very lucky because it's not your regular home setting. You have large vistas out to the golf course. It's a very natural environment, peaceful environment, quite manicured environment actually.
One of the really cool things about this site is that we'll never get built out behind us, and that gives us a sight out to the Southern Alps. And the other thing is it's very open. We've got a large space and it's a very community friendly area, and the views are to die for, particularly with the sunset.
The materials provide the texture and the warmth, which is really why we've used the materials, because the shapes are very simple. We need some lightness as well, so the roof in particular is incredibly thin and floats above glass, above a stone wall. And then the stairwell is cantilevered out of the side of a stone wall. Again, we don't want a big heavy stair up the side of a big heavy object. We really want the contrast of that, the lightness against the heaviness.
The outside was really about what's behind the wall. So when you look at the house from the road, it's a beautiful stone wall. And we wanted to have a bit of mysteriousness about what was behind there. And then you come around the back and it's very open, very warming, and have it as an entertainer's paradise really, which was a really important thing for us.
This house will be here for 100 years, so it's really important that it looks, fantastic.
But also when Alicia and I are just here, being able to sit around the kitchen, talk while eating and cooking is really important as well. We made sure that it had small enough spaces that when there's just the two of us, it's still a lovely place to live, as well as being large enough that when we have more people here that we can enjoy it as a large group.
This house looks particularly good at night actually. When the bagged Glen Orchis wall catches the lighting, it's beautiful. I like the texture of that.
But overall, it's a house that is minimalistic. It's very, very lovely lines. It's beautiful on the outside, and it gives us a great space to be private but also to share, and we love that fact.